Let me show you in this video how quickly you can adjust the fixture to embroider a logo on your t-shirt. As you can see here, there's a small hole in the middle that will help you to choose the perfect number for your t-shirt size. The hooping station is numbered, so you don't have to mind about the right position of your t-shirt, because all you have to do is to check this table on the screen and adjust the fixture to the number that is corresponding to the t-shirt size you have to embroider. Today we have to embroider a t-shirt that is in small size, and the corresponding number to the small size is 71 according to the table. And now we set the fixture and that's it. That was very easy. All we have to do now is to put in the magnetic hoop and the insertion, and everything is ready to go to the embroidery machine. This is the process when you want to use a fixture on your hooping station for embroidering a logo, and let me tell you, it's a lifesaver and a game changer actually, because it makes everything very easy and you don't have to mind about measuring with measuring tape and stuff like that. So these are the advantages when you're using this type of fixture on your hooping station. So I really think you will find this tool as useful as I find it.